Antelope Book of Lady Wisteria. First published, 2002. Subjects, Samurai, Japan. History genres book, fiction. Red Chrysanthemum. Subjects, Samurai genres book, suspense, mystery, fiction. Black Lotus. First published, 2001. Subjects, police procedural, police, samurai, Japan. History genres book, suspense, historical fiction, mystery fiction. The Snow Empress. Best. Samurai. Samurai. Samurai warriors of history. Samurai warriors of history. The blade of the courtesans. The blade of the courtesans. The samurai. First published, 1980. Subjects, samurai, Japan. History. Mexico genres book, historical fiction. The Samurai's Guard. The Samurai's Guard. The Samurai. First published, 1989. Subjects, Samurai, Asia. Japan. History genres book, history. Frank Miller's Ronin. Frank Miller's Ronin. Gai-Jin. Gai-Jin. Taiko. First published, Kodansha International. Subjects, Japan, Japanese history genres book, biographical historical fiction. 47 Ronin, the classic tale of samurai loyalty, bravery and retribution. First published, 2018. Subjects, Japan history, samurai genres book, mythology and folk tales, Japanese literature. Autumn Bridge. Autumn Bridge. The Way of the Traitor. The Way of the Traitor. Cloud of Sparrows. First published, 2002. Subjects, Japan, history genres book, historical fantasy fiction. Shogun, a novel of Japan. Shogun, a novel of Japan. Musashi. Musashi.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.